Dear friends, today let us see how to create a group in WhatsApp. Just go to WhatsApp. Then in the WhatsApp, just go to the right top side, these three dots. Once you click it, there will be different options available. So in that, click new group. Right. Then select the participants or add the participants you want. So in this search, I am selecting the group. So creating a group called Apida. So I am creating a group. So I am searching for the name. Okay, 4 members I have added. Now at the bottom right side, click this arrow. Right, type the group subject. Right. Okay. Now, so this is the name which I have entered. So I have added 4 participants along with myself. Then an image. Okay. I am searching for the web to select the image. Just wait a minute. I'm selecting the image. Okay, click done. Click OK. So one participant could not add so and so. You can invite them privately to join this group. I may invite to group. Click it. Right, and send the invitation. So one invite sent. All others have been added. Okay. See here, there are 4 participants. Right, because one is under process or invited. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So Apida Tamil Nadu Exporters. So one group has been formed. Okay. So this is a procedure how to create a WhatsApp group. Right. And the background image you can change. How you can change is just go to that top right side 3 dots, go to more. Okay, come back. go to more, no, go to wallpaper, change wallpaper, dark, bright, solid colors. I'm selecting light, selecting this color, set wallpaper, click it for this chat, right? Either you can set wallpaper for only for this chat, this group chat, or for all chats in dark theme. No, only for this chat. Then click OK. Wallpaper set. Now you can also increase or decrease the wallpaper dimming. See here, this will increase the dimming, this will reduce the dimming. This will go on increasing the dimming. So that is not nice. So let us ready. Okay, this is nice. So now click back. Okay, now the group has been created, WhatsApp group has been created. Okay, and the participants have been added. Further on, you can add more number of participants by going to by selecting the top side, then click add participants. Okay, then you can add search from search and add. So that way you can able to add around 256 participants in this. Okay, so this is the procedure how to create a WhatsApp group, and this video is only for those who do not know how to create a WhatsApp group, and for those who do not know how to change the wallpaper. Okay, so thank you friends, hope you understood how to create a group in WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much.